And there we have it. A perfect fit, designed to last. How does that feel?
The synchronization is complete. We can push this directly to the design station.
The margins look perfect. I'll start the crown design now.
The specialists refine every contour using sophisticated engineering software, ensuring perfect occlusion before production begins.
Conveyor belts transport the sets, while robotic pick-and-place arms assemble each component with extraordinary speed and precision.
The precision here is truly remarkable. Every tooth is placed within fractions of a millimeter, verified instantly by the machine vision system.
Precision dispensing robots apply microscopic beads of medical-grade dental adhesive into each tooth socket with exceptional consistency and speed.
Completed denture assemblies enter large automated curing ovens, where carefully controlled heat cycles permanently strengthen the acrylic structure and adhesive bonds.
After curing, the dentures enter automated cooling tunnels where filtered airflow gradually lowers the temperature, preventing internal stress and deformation.
Advanced robotic grinding stations simulate natural jaw movement, while precision diamond tools carefully adjust the occlusal surfaces for an accurate bite. Computer-guided polishing ensures every border is contoured for comfort, while our team inspects samples to verify symmetry and accuracy.
Each completed denture is mounted onto robotic jaw simulators that reproduce realistic chewing cycles to verify stability.
The robotic conveyors gently lower each unit into the industrial ultrasonic cleaning tanks, where millions of the robotic systems ensure flawless transfer into the sterilization chambers, where continuous digital monitoring guarantees absolute sanitation. High-speed robotic systems carefully place each denture into custom protective trays. Vision-guided pick-and-place robots operate in perfect synchronization. Reroute the Japan shipment to Loading Bay 4.
Acknowledged. The AGVs are updating the path now. Gently bite down slowly and release.
The occlusion is still heavy on the right side, Doctor.
Yes, we need to adjust point 3 and 4.
Okay, closing gently now. How does that feel on the left side? Seems aligned on the scan, Doctor.
All right, we're ready for the trial fit now. If you could please open gently for me.
They feel very secure, and the chewing feels completely natural.
Yes.
Excellent. Use this cleaning kit daily, and we'll see you in 6 months. And these are the cleaning tablets we discussed. Just drop one in the water. How often should I use them?
Daily maintenance is covered here in the guide, Mr. Smith.
It's just wonderful to be able to laugh and eat like this again. I feel completely myself.